Hello, today I'm going to share with you my top 5 free resources that I rely on to create great PowerPoints. First up is Icons 8. Icons8.com is a website where you can search free icons to download. What I love about this is that you can search by style. Not only this, but they have a great desktop app. This is what you see for macOS, that you can search by style, you can search different categories if you aren't sure of the search term that you want to be using. You can even insert your own hex code so that if you're working with within a brand guidelines, you can be sure that your colors are spot on, which is so much more effective than using the color dropper tool. So again, Icons 8, I really love this. It's a free resource. If you are working with the free option, the icons are limited to 96 pixels in height, but you can upgrade and pay for this, and then you have different file types and icon sizes to work with. Next is Designspiration. Designspiration is a little bit like Pinterest for those of you who are not graphic designers. And if you are a designer, you've probably heard of Behance or Dribbble. So again, this is just another option where you can look for inspiration from designers who are posting current work and just kind of getting it out there. So this is a great way to see what is trendy. I also like to come here for PowerPoint because I can search things like page layout or process diagram, infographic, and get inspiration from things that are not necessarily PowerPoint. And this helps me to stay creative and think outside the box when I'm imagining how information might be placed on a page. Next is Slides Carnival. If you are the opposite of a designer and you just need something that is going to look good and ready to go that you can type your content into, slidescarnival.com is for you. These are free PowerPoint templates. It also works with Google Slides where you can pick your theme, your color, the fonts are included, etc. And it is completely ready to go. You can look for simple ones, creative ones. If it's for a school event, you can do kind of kid-themed ones. And again, these are all free, so easy to use and search. Next is Unsplash. Oh, if you haven't heard of Unsplash, this is going to change your life. Unsplash is a resource, unsplash.com is a resource where you can download free high quality photography, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. And in a presentation, even adding a picture in the background, say something like texture, can just add such depth and sophistication to your pages that wasn't there before. So instead of a white background, you just have this subtle texture in the background. And again, these are all free. When you do download them, they are extremely large file sizes. So you're going to want to visit my video on how to reduce file size by compressing photos. And again, that's just compressing the photos to get rid of data you don't need. But I highly recommend unsplash.com to really elevate and find the photography that's just not stock photography. It's a little bit more creative, a little bit more sophisticated. And finally, Vecteezy. Vecteezy is great if you need more than an icon, but less than photography. So you can see here that these are lots of vector graphics. You can search any type of, let's see, collaboration, any type of words. There we go. And you can see these are great fun illustrations. You can also go in and search by the artist. So you can see illustrations that are of the similar theme, which is great. Again, uniformity is key in presentation. So you can upgrade. I actually pay for the Vecteezy Premium. I think I pay $14 a month. And I think it's totally worth it. But as you can see, there are tons of free options if you are not looking to do that. And I highly recommend Vecteezy.com for all your stock photography and vector needs. So I hope that these 5 resources have helped you up your PowerPoint game and will make an appearance in your next presentation.